CRISPR triumph, Casgevy therapy approved in the UK. In a groundbreaking development, the UK medicines regulator has granted approval for the use of the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool in a revolutionary therapy named Casgevy. This landmark decision marks a significant stride in the treatment of blood conditions such as sickle cell disease and thalassemia. But first, welcome to TECH2FAST, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Landmark approval for CRISPR therapy in the UK. In a groundbreaking development, the UK medicines regulator has given its approval for the utilization of the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool in a therapeutic approach named Casgevy. This marks a historic milestone in the field of medical science, particularly in the treatment of blood disorders such as sickle cell disease or B thalassemia. Casgevy, developed through collaborative efforts by pharmaceutical company Vertex Pharmaceuticals and biotechnology firm CRISPR Therapeutics, represents a cutting-edge application of CRISPR-Cas9 technology to address genetic abnormalities at the root of these conditions. The approval comes on the heels of promising outcomes observed in clinical trials, underlining the efficacy of potential Casgevy in offering cures for debilitating blood disorders. The decision by the UK medicines regulator signals not only the recognition of the scientific advancements in gene editing, but also opens up new avenues for innovative therapeutic approaches in the realm of genetic medicine. As CRISPR-based therapies continue to demonstrate their potential, this regulatory approval in the UK paves the way for further exploration of gene editing tools in medical treatments, heralding a new era in precision medicine. Casgevy's approval reflects the culmination of rigorous scientific research, clinical testing, and regulatory scrutiny, emphasizing the commitment to ensuring the safety and efficacy of innovative medical interventions. This development holds the promise of transforming the lives of individuals affected by sickle cell disease and B thalassemia, offering hope for a future where gene editing technologies play a crucial role in the treatment and potential eradication of genetic disorders. CRISPR technology at the core. Casgevy represents a groundbreaking leap in the medical science by leveraging the transformative capabilities of the Nobel Prize-winning CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool. This revolutionary therapy is specifically designed to target and rectify the genetic errors underlying sickle cell disease and B thalassemia, two debilitating blood disorders. The treatment process involves the extraction of blood-producing stem cells from the patient, which are then subjected to precise genetic editing using the CRISPR-Cas9 technology. Once modified, the edited cells are reintroduced into the patient's body, marking a pivotal step in the quest for effective genetic medicine. The mechanism of action for Casgevy centers around disrupting the BCL11A gene, a key player in the regulation of fetal hemoglobin production. By employing CRISPR-Cas9 to target and modify this gene, Casgevy aims to stimulate increased production of fetal hemoglobin in the patient's system. Fetal hemoglobin has demonstrated the ability to mitigate the symptoms and complications associated with sickle cell disease and B thalassemia, offering a potentially curative approach to these genetic blood disorders. This targeted intervention at the genetic level represents a paradigm shift in the treatment of genetic diseases, showcasing the immense potential of CRISPR-Cas9 in therapeutic applications. Safety and trial outcomes. While Casgevy has demonstrated promising results in clinical trials, it is essential to acknowledge the reported side effects associated with the therapy. Ongoing trials have noted certain adverse reactions, including symptoms like nausea, fatigue, fever, and an increased susceptibility to infection. Despite these side effects, it is noteworthy that regulatory authorities and the developers of the treatment, Vertex Pharmaceuticals and CRISPR Therapeutics, have not identified any significant safety concerns. The meticulous monitoring of trial participants continues, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the therapy's safety profile. The trial results bring to light the potential benefits of Casgevy for individuals suffering from sickle cell disease and B thalassemia. Patients with sickle cell disease experience significant relief from pain, marking a positive outcome that aligns with the therapeutic goals of Casgevy. Moreover, individuals with thalassemia exhibited reduced dependence on blood transfusions, indicating a positive impact on their treatment journey. These encouraging outcomes underscore the potential of Casgevy to address the unique challenges posed by these genetic blood disorders, offering hope for improved quality of life and reduced reliance on conventional treatments. Global approval and accessibility challenges. The approval of Casgevy in the UK represents a significant milestone in the journey toward advancing gene editing therapies. However, the global accessibility of the treatment faces challenges as regulatory bodies, including the US FDA and the European Medicines Agency, are still in the process of reviewing its safety and efficacy. The complexity of Casgevy, which involves sophisticated technology for the extraction and modification of patient stem cells using the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool, contributes to the intricacies of its regulatory pathway. Beyond regulatory considerations, the issue of affordability emerges as a substantial hurdle in the widespread adoption of Casgevy. The estimated costs associated with the therapy are approximately $2 million per patient. This high price tag may pose a barrier to accessibility, potentially limiting its availability to wealthier nations with robust healthcare budgets. As Casgevy represents a groundbreaking advancement in the field of gene therapy, addressing these challenges will be crucial for ensuring equitable access to innovative treatments for individuals worldwide. But before we dive deeper into future implications and remaining questions, remember to stay in the loop with Tech2Fast. Like, subscribe, and drop us a comment to let us know your thoughts. Future implications and remaining questions. The approval of Casgevy in the UK not only marks a transformative moment for the treatment of specific genetic disorders, but also signals the potential for broader applications of CRISPR-based therapies in the future. As the scientific community celebrates this milestone, important questions emerge regarding the scalability of the treatment and the long-term consequences of the CRISPR-Cas9 gene modifications. These considerations underscores the need for a cautious yet optimistic approach, emphasizing continued research, ethical evaluations, and collaborative efforts to unlock the full potential of gene editing technologies. The scalability of Casgevy and similar CRISPR-based therapies will be a critical factor in determining their impact on a larger scale. Challenges such as the complexity of technology, advanced infrastructure requirements, and the high costs associated with the procedures may pose barriers to widespread adoption. Additionally, ethical considerations surrounding the permanent modifications made the human genome raise important questions about the unintended consequences and the long-term effects of these interventions. Addressing these concerns will require ongoing research, open dialogue, and a commitment to ensuring the responsible development and deployment of CRISPR-based treatments. Conclusion: the approval of Casgevy stands as a monumental achievement in gene editing therapies, offering hope to individuals affected by sickle cell disease and thalassemia. While celebrating this transformative development, the challenges of accessibility, safety, and cost underscore the need for ongoing research, ethical considerations, and global collaboration to ensure the broad availability of such groundbreaking treatments. Once again, this is Tech2Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.